got 6 eggs in there, as you can see. We're also going to have 2 cups of Karo syrup, which that should be about 2.5 cups. And now we're going to need some sugar. Okay. We're going to put some sugar in here. Approximately 1 cup of sugar. We're making enough for 2, so we need 2 cups of sugar. And here we go. That's your main ingredient, sugar, everybody. Oh, and we had a touch of vanilla extract in there. And now we're going to mix with a fork. Now don't overmix, you just have to mix till it blends. We're adding a little butter, actually. Well, let's use a, thank you very much. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon and 1 more tablespoon. And that was supposed to be melted. Thank you, that's our bloopsie for today. Blooper. Yeah, blooper, bloopsie. Back with our melted butter, see? Thank you very much. Mix, mix, mix. There we go. So our main ingredient is the actual sugar, mixed with the Karo syrup, and that's your whole pecan pie. Now, the trick is you mix as well as you can, but like I said, don't overmix. Actually, I think I want to put a little bit more sugar in this, because we like them a little sweet. There we go. And now we will mix this. Now you can't put overload of sugar in there because then it'll turn into water once it heats up. It crystallizes. No good. Okay. Alrighty, now we are good to pour into our pie shells. And of course Stacy and Sabrina like the deep dish pie shells because they like to eat a lot of this. And pour, 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 pour. Stop. Make sure you have enough for the other one. Pour, 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 and stop. Now you can pour the rest of it in the other one. And here we go. This comes out very, very good. And these are actually... Alright, we're going to add our rice, therefore we need to add an additional cup of water. So there's 2 cups right in this here. And we're going to put that right there. And now we're going to cut that right open. Yes, and we're going to mix the rice like this here. I use yellow Spanish rice. It's better than whole grain, white, plain old junky rice. Chunky. Uncle Ben's, how do you feel is yucky rice? It tastes good. Actually, we should have bought more pecans. We have to make this for Patricia because she doesn't eat chicken. But she's, you know, particular.
Salt.
We have salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of vinegar. Okay. And we have 3 big teaspoons, tablespoons, whatever you want to call them.
Why am I naming Bob?
Then we're going to put some onion, bam,
Bob.
some celery, Bob, and some tomatoes, Bob, along with a little lemon juice, Bob.
What the hell are you talking about, Bob?
You know Bob, my friend. And a little more onions, and a little bit more tomatoes, and a little bit more celery.
Mom doesn't eat that.
And then a little bit more lettuce.
Mom doesn't eat that.
Mom does eat this.
Mom doesn't eat that.
She will eat this. And a little bit more lettuce.
If she likes it, if she don't.
Mom, you're eating this whether you like it or not. And then we're going to mix everything together. And you have tuna salad. It's a lot of salad.
Tuna salad. Where's the tuna?
That was the first thing in if you were paying attention, somebody.
Bob.
Somebody.
Sour Bob.
Okay, Mother, are you ready to eat?
Well, I found you a really nice Cadillac. Really, really nice DeVille.
Did you say you found your
Burgundy.
father a very nice Cadillac?
That's what I thought he
Listen,
said.
it's a
Okay,
2000.
we're gonna
It's a Burgundy
scoop this
DeVille.
up.
Really nice. The interior
Yeah.
is perfect. Perfect.
Mom,
perfect. Perfect.
the car is so perfect it doesn't exist.
No, it doesn't. It's got 4,000 miles on it.
A little more of our lettuce.
Too many miles.
Why is it too many
A
miles?
little more of our onion.
I've shaved
A
with
little
the money
bit more of
that
our
you want to
celery.
spend.
A little bit more of our lemon juice.
4,000.
And mix.
Mom, the car is gorgeous. It's a 2000, Mom. Burgundy, 4-door.
Okay.
With the beige leather. It's a
Now we're gonna toast
it's
some
like
bread.
Brand new.
And we're gonna throw it on
Me
top
and
of the
Ricky found it
bread.
the other day. I could take you to go see it.
Don't take it lying down, no crying now. It's your world. Let the music play. You won't get away. Just get the groove and then he'll come back to you again. Let the music play. You won't get away. This groove you can't ignore. He won't leave you anymore. SOS. That crazy chick, don't know who she's messing with. Look in her eyes, she's mentally undressing. Now listen.